Hi and welcome to another product update from EPS Global. I'm Barry, I'm the Senior Systems Engineer for EMEA, and today we're going to have a look at a solution we've put together that's going to change optical transport networks, and is changing optical transport networks. And the reason why will become apparent as I explain. So what we've got in this bundle is a router from Edgecore Networks, we've got software on this box from Infusion, and we've got 400 gig ZR plus optics from Coherent. So Coherent used to be called Finisar. They're a very well-known brand in the transceiver world. So on the hardware side, we're using what's called the AGR 400, Aggregation 400, which we would call the 794630XB. And down here we have two QSFP DD 400 gig ports. These are high capacity ports. Under, again, 400 gig QSFP DD low capacity ports. We have 22 QSFP 2800 gig ports, 4 SFP 25 gig ports. We have our timing, and we have our management console table. And inside the box, we have software from Infusion, as I mentioned, called OcNOS. And OcNOS have multiple SKUs for their data center, but for the telecoms market, which is applicable here, we have whether you use MPLS or IP, a different SKU for each one. And then on the magic hand here, we have 400 gig ZR plus optics from Coherent. As I said, it used to be called Finisar. And I'm going to explain about these in more detail. So this is our 400 gig ZR plus optic from Coherent. As I mentioned, they used to be called Finisar. So some of the characteristics of this. Capacity wise, we're looking at 400 gig. So 1 by 400 gig. But we can also use it at 300, 200 and 100. So 1 by 400 or 4 by 100. Distance wise, we're looking at about 600 kilometers depending on your fiber. Using at 400 gig, that's about the distance from Paris to Dublin. And then using at 4 by 100, obviously as we reduce capacity, distance goes up. And again, it depends on your fiber, but we're looking at about 2,000 kilometers. So that would be Paris to about Istanbul. So that's our 400 gig ZR plus bundle. All fully qualified as well. So Edgecore have qualified the 400 gig plus optics from Coherent, and OcNOS as well. So Infusion have done their work as well. We're in trials with some ISPs at the minute. So get in touch with our team. Happy to get you started with a POC.